Okay, guys, so yesterday I was with someone and I was looking at something. Um, there was a challenge for $5,000 first to get to $5,000 on a particular group that I'm in, and some people couldn't figure out how to create landing page, how to create opt-in page, how to create sales page, and some this is their first time of trying something like that, and they were a bit confused on what to do exactly. So, so today I'm going to be showing you how to set up an opt-in page with almost zero budget. Now, why I said almost zero, I will explain at the end. Now, this group that I was in, they were facing the people that were asking the questions were confused on how to get an autoresponder for free. Now, you can't use MailChimp because MailChimp is outrightly against affiliate marketing. So, except you're just doing something else, you can't use MailChimp. And then you can't use MailerLite because currently MailerLite has banned Nigerians. I think somebody has abused it anyway, so they've banned Nigerians. Because I know a lot of Nigerians that were using MailerLite before. Now, I'm going to be showing you a couple of things, the things you need to create an opt-in page for almost free. Number one, you need a website to host the opt-in page. So what you can use is either Wix or Google Pages. I'll prefer Wix so that I can show you faster. Number two, you need an autoresponder to be able to collect the leads and automatically send emails when people opt into your list. We'll be using Sendinblue for this one. Okay. Number three, you need a lead magnet and a tool to build a lead magnet. It could be either Canva or Google Doc. So you can do a free ebook or a free report or a free checklist. Anything you want to create, you can create any of those and then use it as the tool to get people in. Now, let me show you what we'll be creating. This is what we'll be creating. I'm just putting this here as a sample, but this is what we are going to be creating when we are done today. Now, the first thing you need is to go and register at wix.com, and then I have logged in my account, so just click on create new site. It will give you a wizard tool. You can just click on others. Since we are creating an opt-in page, we can just choose from their template. This is the template I used to create that one. Okay, so you give it a few minutes, it will load in the components that make up that template. Okay, so this is it. Now, you can use an empty page, you can use a blank page, but I'm just using this for illustration purpose. So for those that don't have any design background, they can easily just pick up and run with it. So you know that a sales page or an opt-in page doesn't have any other information apart from what you want the person to opt into. So we have to delete the head out of it completely. Same thing with the menu, out, so it becomes clean. The next thing is we need to add the title of what we want to give out. For this one, I'll be using the same title. Okay, the same title. All right, let me centralize it. Increase the size also. Okay, then the sub. Now normally before you do this, make sure you have your copy written out, and you can get somebody to do that for you. If you don't know how to write a copy, somebody can do that for you easily. Okay, so I'm just doing this based off of just illustration. Okay, now we don't need this button, so we remove it. Now we're done with setting up the page. The next thing we need is a form, which is the opt-in form. So I said we should use send in blue. Now I've logged into my account. If you go to sendinblue.com, you can create an account for free. Just verify it with your email. You can even log in with your Gmail and it will log in for you. So what you do is click on contact to create a form to collect leads. Click on contact, click on form. Okay. Now I've already created one before. I can delete that. Let me delete it so I can show you from scratch. So if you click on contact, click on form, this is what you see natively. Create a subscription form. So click on that, give it a name. I'm naming it zero budget opt-in page. Next, newsletter. We don't need that, so we delete that out. So what we might delete this or we might keep it. But what I did here, I just wrote a small text on it. So let's use that one, that same text on this one. Okay. I'm recording something. I'm recording. So the next thing is this place here. Enter your best. It's good to sometimes just indicate email address to get your checklist. So let's use here to get your free guide. All right, so that's all. We don't need to do anything more. We are good to go. We're good to go. The next thing is, let me see, center the button so everything looks a bit centered. I think that's just the only thing. I just wanted everything to be in the center. Okay, so we can add any other thing if we want to. I'm not adding anything else. So this is the form. On mobile, this is the way it will be on mobile. On desktop, this is the way it will be on desktop. So you click on next. Now we need to point where you want people that opt into the list to be sent to. So I want them to be sent here. But you can also create one if you come here, create a list. But this is the list I've already created, so I'm sending them into this list. And then just click on next. So your subscription, instead of using your free guide, so we'll use your free guide has been sent successfully. So that's when the person's email address is correct and is sent. That's what will happen. The information provided below is info. A free guide could not be saved, or your email address, your details, so that the person understands, could not be saved. Let's try again. So now we've edited this, we click on next. So the next thing is sharing. If you embed this form directly on a page, it will just you can copy this link and just send people there if you want to, but it doesn't really make sense. So we'll use an iframe and copy the data on the if into. Now this is where things become a bit complex. So it's not very hard to do this, it's easy. Now I've copied a bunch of gibberish code and you're wondering what I'm going to do with it. What you do is just click on add, click on more, embed iframe HTML. That's all. Once you click on enter code, it will show you what to do. That's all. So the only thing I might do is change this, increase this number to, let me say 600, and that's all. So give it a few seconds, the form will appear. This is the form. Okay, this is our entire form. I want to make sure that there's, yeah, this is what I wanted to do. Make sure that there was nothing at the bottom. So this is the center of the page. Let me move everything to the center of the page. Mind you, now if I move this to the center of the page, design wise it becomes a problem. Okay, I move it sideways, not to the center. I want to add the ebook, so to add the book I just come here, image. Now if you need to import your own image, you come to upload, my upload. Give it a few seconds to load. Okay, because I've already uploaded my own image before, so you just need to upload your own by clicking add media here, and you can click on upload to allow you to add your image. Okay, so I click on here, I stored my media. Okay, make sure you compress your media before you try uploading. Make sure you compress it to a good enough size. If not, it will become too big on the page. This is the size for it. It's quite big anyway. So this is it. All I have to do is reduce the size down, put it alongside with my form. So I'm just saying this is the book, it's not the book. Okay, what you do, you can delete all the rest things at the bottom. Those ones are not add. You can just click on strap and delete, voila, and it's gone. There are a couple of other things at the bottom, but I'm not dealing with that right now. So if you come to preview, this is your page, works perfectly. Preview. Okay, so this is your page, works perfectly. See, we did it on zero budget. We didn't pay anybody any money to do it. So the rest is just design sense. I've noticed that the page is not, this text is not centered, so I have to make it center. This should be the center for it. Same thing with this one. Okay. When I'm done with this one, I have to change the color of this text now. This should be color. Maybe the white. That's all. So that's it. We just finished building an entire Optin page in just a couple of minutes using a free tool. We didn't pay for it, it's free, completely free. Now why I said almost zero is because you're going to be using your data to do this. So if I save, this is the site, and I can now call it zero dash budgets. Okay, and then save. That's it, saved. So that's just the entire project we've been working on. So I can now say done, publish, and I say we can now publish it so everybody can see. If you give me the link, I can visit the link. Okay, should be the former one. The current one. See, right there. It's that simple. So you can put your guide here, put your form. Okay, so what you can now do is, if you are worried about people seeing, this is the URL at the moment. It just has some crazy things. You can copy it, go to bit.ly, okay, and go to the home page. Just did one before. Paste, shorten. That's it. This is the new URL. Copy it. If you paste it and you go to it, to redirect you to that same page. So that's it for this section. Maybe another time I will sit down and give you another way you can recreate this same thing. If you're very observant, you notice that I left 3 out of it. I did 1 and 2, and I did it well enough for you to be able to understand how to do it. Now the reason why I left that is because I want you to go tax your brain and figure out how this is done. But in case you can't, I'm sure you'll be able to find a video on YouTube, or if you want me to specifically continue on this path and teach you how to do it on Google Docs or on Canva, and how to make your research on your lead magnet so that you can give your audience or your list a more quality report or ebook or checklist, just comment below and let me know, and I'll put it up for you. Thank you very much, but I'll leave you with one word: go out there, take action. If you're not taking action with whatever you know, you will never achieve anything. Take action. And that's all for today. Bye.